Your Venetian, are you looking for a desk lamp that also doubles as a flashlight? Well, I think you're going to want to stay tuned and check out this video on this desk lamp from Rumi, alright? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Cruising Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Your Venetian, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a desk lamp that also doubles as a rechargeable flashlight. Alright, but before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down and hit the subscribe button? It really helps the channel. Alright, I'll get out of the way. Whew. Today we're going to be taking a look at a desk lamp that's not only a lamp, but it's also a rechargeable flashlight. Alright? It's one of those desk lamps that's got like a nice little modern design and everything. So I was like, I was scouring through the interwebs and I saw this. I said, hey, I got to check this out and put it on the channel. Let me give you some of the specs real quick on this bad boy. It's got a flexible arm on here. It has USB charging cable and it has a detachable head. All right. It has 3 levels of brightness and it has, a nice, rechargeable flashlight on top. So let me go ahead and let's get this out of the box and see what we're working with. All right. Hold tight. All right, we get it all out of the box. It's already put together. Up top is the flashlight part. You got the base of it right here is all one. The base of it is all one piece, and then the flashlight comes apart. All right. So let's go ahead and let me let you take a look at it. Well, before that, you get a charging cable, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, is a micro USB. You think this time, of date, it would be, USB-C, but it is what it is, yeah. Oh, but let me give you a few specs on it real quick. It has, like I said, it has 3 different, lighting settings, and they're like from 3000 Kelvin to 4200 Kelvin to 5500 Kelvin, and has between 200 and 300 lumens. That's the brightness of the lamp itself / flashlight. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick. All right, as you can see here, this is the top of the lamp, which doubles as a flashlight, and here's here's the pedestal right here. As you can see on the bottom, you got some nice little rubber stoppers right here, well, plastic stoppers rather, and it's all made out of hard plastic. And here is your micro USB charging slot right here, which should have been USB-C, but whatever. And this is just pretty simple. And here's your power button right here, so you can use it to power it on. There's 2 ways to power it on, either up here on the light itself or down here on the pedestal if you have it sit on the desk. So, let me let you see this right. You can use it right that way, or you can use it this way. So you have 2 ways of controlling it. And and this right here is the power cord that comes from the stem to charge it, and you can even charge it with a power bank. So it doesn't necessarily have to be plugged into the wall, but you can recharge it with a power bank, which I think is cool. But let's take it apart and see how it goes. Take this out. This is also micro USB, as you can see right here, micro USB. All right. And this is a little cover. Now, when I initially took it out, I had a little issue with this cover. It popped off, but I got it back in there. And this is how you take it out. You just basically pull it off. It's like a little hard plastic piece. It sticks in here, and then now you have a flashlight. So, who knew? It's not all that bright, but it'll serve its purpose. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and cut the lights off so we can really see how bright this light is. All right, hold tight. All right, now that I got some of these lights off, let's move these instructions. That's what the instruction booklet. That's what it comes with, which, it's a pretty simple device. Now we got, some of the lights off, so now we can probably better see it. Let me go ahead and, okay. Pretty cool. That's a medium, and that's the bright setting. All right. Let's go ahead and let's put it on here. Let's change angles. You gotta excuse the noise. I mean, it seems like everybody down here has a large, you got extra loud vehicles, which doesn't make any sense. But anyway, here you go. There's a lamp. Bam, bam, bam. Too easy. And then, like when you getting low on juice, you can either charge it, this way, or let me turn the light back on real quick. All right. So like I said, you can either charge it this way, or you can charge it, just to have it charging by itself. So you want to go ahead and if you want to keep it as a desk lamp, you want to, plug it in. So, just kind of looks neater like that. Then you got your choice of doing turn it off like that, or turn it off like that. So you can either turn it off at the bottom on the pedestal, or, you can do it up here on the flashlight. So, I mean, it's up to you. Once you get it, it's up to you. And it swivels a little bit. It swivels up and down, swivels to side. While you get the cord on here, you take the cord off, the power cord out of the flashlight, of the light itself. Now you can swivel it around, 360 degrees, up and down, side to side. So it's very flexible. I mean, this would be something that would be nice for a college dorm or students or kids' room or whatever, or it's just in your office or whatever. Like when times when the power goes out, you have a bad storm. Bam, take this off. There you go. Now you got light. So it never hurts to have a lot of rechargeable flashlights around, because you never know when you're gonna need it. Or just a battery operated light. A light, it has like regular batteries in it instead of rechargeable batteries. It never hurts, because if you have a bad storm and you lose power for hours at a time or a few days at a time, you'll be glad you had a flashlight on hand, to help you out in the dark. So I think this is pretty decent. I'll leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information on it. I think this is a cool product. It doesn't break the bank. Like I said, I'll leave a link down there where you can check out the pricing. But like I said, pricing changes every day on products like this at this price point. So I'll leave a link down there so you can check out more detailed information on it. And who knows, it might be a coupon, or it might be on sale. What have you. But I think this is pretty cool. I think they have a different colorway, which they were out of it when I went to order this one. It only had this white one, because I wanted I think it was all black one. But this is still cool too, and it's simple to put back on, and that's it. It's just basic, simple tech. Wow, simple. Nothing much to say about it. Just a nice little flashlight. All right, that's my little review of this little flashlight / desk lamp from a company called Rumi. All right. Do I think this is a go? Yeah, I think this is a pretty decent pickup. I think this is something, it'd be nice to have, in case of emergencies. All right. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe, so you can check out neat products like this on the channel. All right. All right. Without you guys' support, none of this is possible. All right. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right, let's see. The message for today is, life is not about having everything, all right? Life is not about partying and hanging out and just, that's all you want to do, hang out, party, and just, have a good time. Life is about loving each other like God loves us, in spite of our flaws and everything, all right? That's what life is all about. It's not about having this, having that, going out and having a good time and always hanging with somebody and always up in somebody's face going somewhere. Life is about loving each other like God loves us, in spite of all our flaws, all right? That's what life is all about. This has been your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. light it up.